Hello, I am Catherine Pellicano. I am the Director of Marketing for Upstate Warrior Solution. We are a locally based nonprofit organization serving veterans, first responders, and their families here in our local community. We are 10 years old this year, so we've been doing this work for a while, and what we do is we provide holistic case management and connective services for our local warriors and their families. This can look like a lot of different things. We offer employment support for education, housing, healthcare, connecting for VA benefits, family services, like I said. We have an art therapy program. Basically, whatever our warriors' needs or goals are, when they walk through our door, our goal is to be able to help them connect to the resources that they need to thrive in our local community. I think there are two things that are really important to understand about homelessness. And the first one is that it's a complex issue, and that there are a lot of different factors that can go into why someone may be experiencing homelessness or housing instability, or why they may be continually in that cycle. Job loss and mental and behavioral health come to mind among many other factors. And so we really believe that it takes a holistic approach to case management to be able to help somebody gain long-term housing stability. The second thing is that there's always going to be people who experience homelessness. And so ending homelessness in that sense is not necessarily a realistic goal. But what we're trying to accomplish is effective zero, which means that we've got the structures in our community and the resources available to rapidly rehouse people and help them attain housing stability long term. As I said, housing support is one of the service lines that we offer to our veterans, first responders, and their families. And what we've been committed to since the beginning of Upstate Warrior Solution is really not duplicating any efforts that someone is doing well in the community, but coming alongside each other and partnering together. And that approach, that collaborative approach, is something obviously that GHA has been committed to since their beginning. And so that's something that resonates with us and makes this an easy partnership. What I love the most about living and working in the upstate of South Carolina is that we have a very generous community, a community that really wants to be involved. And I think for those people who really are passionate about helping to reduce homelessness in our community, I would say two things. I'd say go on GHA's website and look at the list of partners that are collaborating with them on this issue. Upstate Warrior Solution is listed on there among many others that we work with every day to help support those in our community who are experiencing this. And then I would say the other thing would be you can volunteer your time and you can give of your own resources to help support the work that these organizations are doing. But really just being educated on what exists in the community could help you if you encounter somebody who's experiencing homelessness, to have a ready resource to give them to help them connect to somebody who's going to help.